Did you know that we could have chronic diseases, serious headache, muscle pain, fatigue, and loads of symptoms simply because we are drinking water the wrong way? 60% of our body weight is made up of water, so you know how seriously important water is. But remember, what is worth doing is worth doing well. So let's talk about 8 mistakes people make with water that you need to stop doing today. As usual, I'll keep it simple and straight to the point. 1. Drinking too much at once. It is common to drink a whole lot of water at once, especially when you are that thirsty. This is a very wrong idea because it can result to a condition called hyponatremia. That is, when your body go and dilute important salts in your body. You don't want that, right? So let's try it this way. Instead of downing a whole lot of water at once, why not spread it over the day? Like keep a water bottle nearby and take a few sips every hour. How about that? 2. Drinking water too fast. At times, the sodium in your blood doesn't have the chance to help balance this fluid. And when you are forcing water into your body, this can lead to swelling. And you know, the sodium that is supposed to be both within your cell and outside your cell will now result to sodium going into your cells alone. Thereby, the sodium outside your cell will be reduced. You see how imbalance occurs. So, if you want to drink water, drink it at a pace that is not too fast. Drink slowly and mindfully because drinking mindfully will help to spread water throughout your body. 3. Drinking ice cold water frequently. Cold water forces your body to work harder in order to keep it warm, thereby causing a slow digestion and stomach pain. I understand the fact that cold water is very refreshing, it is very sweet, but think again. Rather go for warm water because it helps to support a better digestion. 4. Waiting until you are thirsty. Did you fall under this shoe? Drop that habit. Drop that habit. You see, your body will not quickly tell you you're thirsty, go and drink water, but gradually you start feeling a slight dry mouth, but still you keep resisting. You still don't want to drink water because the thirst hasn't gone far. But by the time you are thirsty, you are partially dehydrated. So here is my advice. Always aim for small and regular sips throughout the day, just as I'm going to do now. 5. Drinking the wrong fluid. Some people have the idea that they are getting their hydration from fluids like coffee, tea, alcohol, soda. These fluids are not water. You cannot replace water with this. Don't think that because you're drinking these things, it's the same as water. It is not. These fluids can dehydrate you. In fact, they can push fluids out of your body instead of into your body. So you see that they are not beneficial. You ever notice that after you've taken these fluids, maybe one of these fluids, you still feel thirsty, and most people tend to ignore the signs of dehydration. This can result to headache, feeling fatigue, dry mouth. Always listen to your body. And please adjust your water intake based on your environment or activity level. For example, during hot days, when there is sweat, you sweat during the days because of the weather. And if you are doing all this kind of intense exercise, or you used to sweat without even exercising, or you have diarrhea, you are vomiting, then you should know that you will need more water. And I also have an advice. If you don't want to rely on water alone as a means of hydrating yourself, you have healthy fruits and veggies that you can take in place of water. I am not saying that you should not take water. You should take water, but in case you need something to just condiment your hydration, take these veggies or fruits. For example, watermelon, cucumber, oranges. They contains water and important electrolytes. So when you incorporate these into your diet, they help to keep you hydrated. 6. Drinking from plastic bottles constantly. Plastics can leach chemicals into your water, especially when you expose them to heat. So please don't take from plastic bottles. So instead, use glass or stainless because they are more healthy for you. For example, this is a glass water container. So get a glass or stainless water container and take it wherever you're going. 7. Limit water intake during meals. When you are taking water as you are eating, this can dilute stomach acid, making it harder to absorb those food and absorb the nutrients your body needs. So if you must drink water even while you are eating, let's say you are very thirsty while you are eating, just take small sip, not just sip, so that it will not go and cause the wrong effects you wouldn't want. So my advice is that take water 30 minutes before you eat and 30 minutes after you eat. That's the best form. 30 minutes before you eat, 30 minutes or 1 hour after you finish eating. That is the best form. Because when you take water 30 minutes before you eat, you will not have that urge to drink water while you are eating. So this is much more healthier and safe for your digestion. And finally, my 8th point is drinking water before bed. Try drinking water about an hour before your bedtime because this will help to repair your body overnight. I am not saying that you should drink too much water, just little water, like a glass cup of water. Because when you take too much of water, this can disrupt your sleep, causing you to wake up to pee at night, that kind of disruption, not allowing you to have a very good night's sleep. So just take a glass of water and you're fine. Now, after hours of sleeping, your body is naturally dehydrated. So it is better to drink water first thing in the morning just to wake up your organs and boost metabolism that way. And here is my bonus tip. Make sure you are drinking a clean water because if you're drinking water that has impurities or chemicals, this can burden your organs and weaken your immune system. If possible, drink filtered water or mineral-rich water. Spring water. Just try to invest in water filter in your house just to be sure that you're getting a good, nourishing water. And avoid tap water if it has impurities or contaminants. Thanks for watching, and if you gain a value, that subscribe button doesn't bite. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, save and share to your friends and family so that they can start to drink water the best way. You can click on the playlist on your screen so that you get to watch more important health topics and stay safe. Till next time, I'll see you when I see you. Bye.